Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you with me again. I'm just out testing a new microphone setup for the helmet, and while I'm out I thought I'd do a quick video, tell you about some exciting new stuff I've got coming up. So yeah, stick around. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sarah. Awesome to have you along for the ride. So you wouldn't believe it, but we are forecasting an absolute heat wave this weekend again. It's going to be mid-30s degrees, so high 90s Fahrenheit, maybe touching 100 depending on where you are. So it's going to be a warm one. I'm just out testing out a new audio setup for my helmet. Hopefully it'll give us clearer audio at higher speeds, so I can actually record some stuff when we're on the motorway, when we're going away. So time will tell whether this footage is any better than previous. But while I'm out doing that, I thought I'd share a few plans with you and let you know what we're up to over the next couple of weeks. And if you like what you hear, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button up in the top corner there to get notified when I post new content. So yeah, MOTOSERA is going touring, finally. It's been a long time coming, I know. Sorry guys. COVID conspired against us all this year, and it might yet again, but we have booked 2 or 3 days away. We're going to be covering about 1,000 miles, and we're going to be taking a route up the east coast of England, following the coast all the way up to Whitby. And we're then going to be touring around the area, around the Yorkshire moors, taking in York City, which has some really interesting history, including the Jorvik Centre, which is all Vikings, and the cathedral as well, which is pretty impressive. As well as that, as well as the actual tour videos, I'll also be bringing you some content to show you how we prepare for a journey like that. I mean, this is a relatively short one in terms of days away, but in terms of daily mileage, it's actually quite a long ride. We're going to be doing about 1,000 miles over the course of 2 or 3 days, so there's going to be some long days of riding on twisty roads with some pretty stunning scenery. And obviously we want to keep ourselves safe and comfortable, so I'm going to be talking a little bit before we go in the next couple of videos about how we pack our bikes, the sorts of things we take with us, the sorts of things we leave behind, what is and isn't important, how we keep ourselves comfortable, what gear we use and all that kind of stuff for a kind of long weekend away on bike. So yeah, that's the exciting content that we've got planned. A load of touring stuff, a bit of adventure. I'm going to be taking my Blackbird. My partner will be taking their 1200 Bandit. I'll show you how we load up both of those bikes. They're both very different. I've got hard luggage, they've got soft luggage. But other than that, it's just going to be us two away for a long weekend on the bikes. I'm sure it'll probably rain. It is England after all, but we'll have fun nonetheless. And I really hope that you guys who are watching this want to join us on that ride as well. Anyway, it's been awesome having you along for the ride, guys. A bit of a short video this week, but I wanted to let you know about the new content we've got coming up and the touring stuff that we've got planned. So please hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of new content when it's posted. In the meantime, ride safe, get out there and enjoy those bikes. Have an absolutely awesome weekend. I'll be back next Friday with more new content. I'll be showing you a little bit about how we prepare to go touring. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you again really soon. Take care, ride safe.